ancient waters, fins that held a bone. Used to nocturne, dreaming of a world unknown. Tiktaalik pushed up from the mud, felt the open air. 390 million years before the giant was there. One step, then another, crawling from the sea. Every bone remembers what it used to be. Walk with me through the ages, through the fire and the ice, from the swamp to the savannah. Every change paid a price. 390 million years to build these massive claws. The giant sloth is standing now, and the whole world stops and draws. I learned on a moose cracked an egg that never needed rain. Diamond-trodden wore a sail across the burning plain. Twin-axodon burrowed deep when Pangea came undone. Jeremiah, small and quick, ate insects in the sun. From cold blood in the warm, from scales to shaggy fur, the line kept pushing forward through each world that was and were. Walk with me through the ages, through the fire and the ice, from the swamp to the savannah. Every change paid a price. 390 million years to build these massive claws. The giant sloth is standing now, and the whole world stops and draws. South America, alone for 60 million years. Giants grew in silence, no competitors, no fears. Then the land bridge opened and the great exchange began. Eremotherium walked north, shaking earth with every span. 6 meters long, an elephant in fur and bone. 3 fingers gripping branches, pulling forest to its own. From fish fins into clawed hands, reaching for the sky. Through that